Top of Copper. There's the fiance.
Hi.
She skis a lot better than I do. Those mountains over there are the backside of Breckenridge. And its sound is a jet. That's fresh, smooth powder over there. For some reason, it's not open. I'm guessing that's because it's not shallow enough. You can see the grass sticking through right there. We are not going in that lift.
I know, because that's down the bowl.
Because that way lies death.
If you're you, yeah.
Yeah.
If you're me, that way lies fun.
Yuck, yuck,
Happy
yuck,
and
yuck,
joy.
yuck, yuck.
Fun, happy, joy.
Yuck, yuck, yuck. I like going fast in hard places. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
As soon as I start bragging, that's when I'm going to wreck right in front of the camera.
Yeah, please wreck in front of the camera. Please let me get it on tape this one time.
It's a rare occurrence. It would be a special treat.
Yuck, 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 yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Ow, my legs. Oh, man. So there's the back. We're not going that way. There's the signs. Ready? I'm going. There's the front. We're up at right above tree line. It's about 11,500, 12,000 feet. And there's Lara showing off. Woo! You can ski uphill. That's where we're going, right down there. All right. Good. Going the wrong way. Woo. Oh, there she is. Ready? To the lift.